I'm Lucas Tan, and my tip for today is how to shut off your computer. The question is, why turn off your computer? Well, I'm not exactly sure why, but I do know it's good for the computer, so let's do it. First way is to bring your mouse to the bottom of your screen, which for me opens up the taskbar. You can change this in the settings, but this isn't a taskbar tip and trick video, so who cares? Then you go to the Windows button. When you hover over it, it says Start, and click it. And then you will see the power button over here at the bottom right of the menu. Click that, and then shut down. There's another way, which is to press the Windows key located at the bottom left corner of your keyboard. This opens up the same menu as before, and you can select the power button. Then you click Shut Off.